Ever wondered what's behind that perfect poise, the seamless coordination and the magical synthesis between lights, cameras and fashion?
It's not an easy task organizing the biggest and the most hectic event in the Indian fashion calendar. Packing in 87 designers, 43 shows in just 5 days is no mean feat.
Lights, camera, action. The three magic words that get any great show rolling. But what goes behind the scene? The chaos, temper tantrums and of course the stress of putting up a grand show. We get you an inside peek, an uncut version of what it takes to get a great show rolling. Fashion Week, lots of uncut drama and glamour. The curtain is raised and models sashay down the ramp. What may look like a 5-day gala party is actually a result of months' preparations and planning.
Planning for this event really starts very many months ago, wherein we start right from scratch in terms of what the event is really going to be in terms of the size and scale. There comes the list on talent, list on designers, what venues we are going to look at. From the venues, then there comes all the technical requirements, safety norms.
A Hawkeye's view and you can see the busy security personnel with their walkie-talkies. Look closer and you can see the stress on their faces. From guarding the who's who of fashion to taking a call on who can be allowed entry, they need to take tough decisions.
If they don't have passes, we politely tell them that you are not allowed. If they have passes, then they are invited.
Even the hotel staff of the venue is prepared for the big event. This time, it was done rather innovatively, with a special screening of the Hollywood hit about the fashion world, The Devil Wears Prada.
In fact, it was suggested that our executives should watch this movie and just to know that how they behave and what all they want, what are their likings and dislikings, just to give them a sort of an idea about the whole event.
Everybody gets a slice of the stress, from the choreographers to the organizers and even the near-perfect models. Freshly painted for consecutive ramp shows, the models are seen working anything between 12 to 16 hours.
Contrary to people's beliefs who think that, oh my god, you just get paid to have a picnic and it's just so much glamour and you party all the time and you get like lots and lots of money which people probably earn in a month. It's absolutely a myth. We have to work very, very hard.
The last few days we've been really busy with fitting. Sometimes they've gone on for 15 hours and busy with the production of the show, the designers, the music, whatever. So it's really hectic.
Air kisses, perfect faces, lots of glamour and one hectic show. And behind the scene are people working round the clock to bring together the great Indian runway.
Months of sketching, going through swatches, treating them and stitching them just right. Only then is a designer ready to present his collection to the world.
Little surprise then that the backstage area of the ramp is a scene of hectic activity as last-minute touches are put in place before the models walk.
We are going to take you into a place where very few people have access to and get you a slice of the real action.
The music comes to life, lights dim, the theatrics begin. And finally, the models walk the designers' collections. It's a perfect entry every time, but making it possible is a flurry of activity that goes on backstage before each show. Makeup for the model starts at least a couple of hours before the show is to begin. And because each model walks at least 4 shows a day, she must run to get her makeup done for the next show as soon as she finishes modeling in the previous one.
Most of the time you're just like in and out of just makeup and hair. That's it. There's nothing else to it. You just your mind is blank. So all you do is, okay, one show's over, now you go straight to another hair and makeup, then another show's over, now you go to hair and makeup again. So it's basically no time to even think.
There's normally very little time to finish all the girls. So there's a little crazy. We've been trying to finish like 10 faces in like less than like an hour sometimes. So that's completely crazy. And then of course there's a little bit of chaos just before the show starts, and there's too many people sometimes in the room. That's the only chaos. Otherwise it's pretty smooth otherwise.
As the models get their makeup done, the designers team is busy organizing the clothes. From ironing out creases to making sure the right set of clothes are in the right place. It's imperative to sort out the little details to make sure the show goes off without a hitch.
You're talking about the madness. Here I have the press kits, here's a bottle of water, here I've got my telephone, and there's buzzing everywhere, calls coming. It is kind of a crazy situation because you have to tie in so many things in such a little time because we have shows running back to back, and we just had the models. They were not here until I'm just like 15 minutes away from the show to begin, and they were there in another show. So you can understand that as the event is growing larger and larger, the madness is increasing.
A quick rehearsal and it's showtime.
The world of fashion is a rarefied one, and less than 1% of the country's population probably knows of its existence.
So just why should you be bothered about the Fashion Week? Our next story will tell you why.
Why do we talk about autumn-winter fashion in the month of summer? Confused? Puzzled? Don't care? Well, the truth is fashion affects you and me also. For instance, last year's spring-summer fashion predicted harem pants. And now this summer, you already see harem pants flooded in the flea market.
Aladdin Pants Patiala pajamas are pseudonyms for these very hip harem pants, and they are all over city flea markets. But did you know that variations of these pants were presented on the ramp by a designer no less than Tarun Dehliani in September last year as part of his 2007 Spring-Summer collection. And now they are quite the rage.
I'm going to buy a harem pant.
So the deal is that fashion is always predicted 6 months in advance. And this autumn-winter, take a notepad and note down the hottest trends so that you can scout it the next season in the flea markets.
We'll draw the curtains now, but only for a bit as we go into a break. Don't go anywhere.